Work like a dog to supersize your business. Do you need to work like a dog to supersize your business? This is our idiom, our contribution idiom for today for supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, not really a dog, is to work like a dog. It's an old simile for working very hard. Like sheepdogs or farm dogs used to work from dusk till dawn all day long doing whatever they had to do to get the job done. They would work until the job is done. And this expression has been around since the early 1700s. Also, people that worked on farms, farmhands, and some day laborers were referred to as dogs. And so working like a dog stuck since the 1700s. So my question for you is, do you feel like you need to work like a dog in order to grow and build and supersize your business? I would say, I think sometimes yes. I don't think you have to hustle and grind all the time, but I think there's stages in the growth and different periods of time as you're building and growing your business that you need to work hard. You need to put in the effort, whatever effort it takes, in order to create the outcome that you want to get and achieve your goals. And different phases and different stages of our business require different amounts of effort by us and by other people, right? None of us really supersize and grow our business on our own. I personally have had lots of opportunity to work hard in my life. Different businesses require, in different industries require different amounts of effort and work. And work is not a bad thing. Work is my favorite four-letter word, actually. I like to be busy. I like to be involved in things. I like to be working, and I like to be putting effort into things because over my many years, technology was glitching. Over the years, I've discovered that what I put into things is what I get out of them. Usually what I put into things is I get way more out of them than the effort that I put in. If I want to learn something, I go all in to learn and figure it out. If I want to create a business in some area, I go all in and I will do whatever it takes to figure it out, to make that a success, to figure out what needs to be done. I'm flexible, I'll flow, I will learn new skills and abilities, I will find the right people to help me do what it is that I want to do, but I'm not going to quit. Once I think and have established that this is a good idea, this is a good business, we're going to figure it out. We're going to find a way. There's always a way to get anything we want to get done. We just have to be willing to look for it, be open to it, be flexible, and non-rigid in our ways of looking at things, our perspectives, and that's why I like doing idioms. It allows me to think differently than I would otherwise about a lot of everyday things, and so it keeps my mind open and flowing in the direction I want it to flow so I can help build and grow and supersize my business. Love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression, work like a dog. Do you work like a dog? Can you relate to sometimes you've just really been busting your tail and working hard? Trying to grow grass, and no, most people wouldn't think growing grass is hard, but for me, growing grass is a challenge. And so I've been not working like a dog, but I've definitely been putting more effort into it than I normally would. And we need to do this in all different areas and aspects of our life. All right, have an awesome day. I'm going to lose the dog outfit and go have some fun and work on growing my grass. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another idiom, a contribution-related idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how can you use it, or how might you use it to grow and supersize your business? Have an awesome day. Bye. Woof.